Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Let me just straighten things out a bit. This is the card making today. Really sweet little squirrels. So let me show you the stamp set we're going to be using. It's this one, Nuts About Squirrels. And you can see we're going to be using a lot of this. It's a two-step stamping and we're going to use the sentiments as well. So let me show you what I've done. I've got everything initially set up on my Stamparatus. And I'm going to be stamping in basic grey because we're going to be doing the grey squirrels because that's what we have where I live. We don't have any red squirrels. We're not far north enough in Lincoln for red squirrels. I'm chased out by these grey ones long time ago. So just going to stamp and take our time. There we go, lovely. Okay, so close this up and then I'm going to get out my simple chamois and give everything a good clean so we can remove it from the Stamparatus. Okay, so let's get rid of all of these bits. And I always just store everything on the front of my case until I'm ready to put everything away, and that way I know nothing is going to go missing. Okay, so now we're going to do the two-step bit, and we're just going to line this up, and these are really not difficult to line up. Just take your time, just do, you can see straight through them, so it's not difficult. That's one, and then let's do this little fella with his little treat. That seems okay to me. So pick this up with our lid again. And that's okay because we just put it back in the corner. Not a problem. Just like that. And now we're going to stamp it in Smoky Slate. Make sure it's properly inked up. There we go. There's our little critters there. Okay. Put that at the back there. Put away a magnet. Whoops. Nearly put the stamping into the simple chamois. Not a good thing. Take these off, otherwise I'll leave them in the Stamparatus, knowing me. Move that aside. Close up our ink pad. Bring this back in. I've got two markers here, and these are Crumb Cake and Soft Suede, and I'm just going to use them quickly to just give a bit of colour to these little nuts. Use acorn. Okay, just something like that. Okay, set that aside. Bring back our card base, a standard A6 card base in basic white. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half, and my snare has just died on me, so let me get another one to use. Here I've got a spare. Okay, and this is the Beauty of the Earth Designer Series paper. I've just cut this down. I'm trying to see which way around I want it, and all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website. The links to that are in the description box below. So let's put this piece down now. Let's see. Just like that. Okay. And then I've got some of these glorious things, and these are the matte decorative dots. I can just see I've got a bit of glue there, so I'll just rub it off. And I'm going to use some of these over my project. Just basically placing them where the fancy takes me. So I've got 5 there, I want 1 more, I think. Yeah, that'll do. So they're the 2 cards. So I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please consider subscribing to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, it'll be on the blog post, as I said, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below, including the links to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, so do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.